Hello and welcome to another Process Love Candy. My name is Mark Sheard, and for this piece of love candy I'm drawing the wonderful and amazing Miss Vivien May Royale. I'll put links down in my notes below so you can go and check her out on Instagram and find the references that I found for this drawing. She's wearing a amazing dress by Lirika Matoshi. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and it made me want to draw this little sequence of pictures for you all today. So I'm doing things a little bit differently this time. I'm drawing a bit larger than I did in my other little animation experiments. I've still used my same Uniball pen and Copic marker to do the line work, and now I'm adding a little bit of ink work on these 6 little drawings. And I'm getting out the old hairdryer to dry each layer as I keep going. Doing a little bit of dry brush on the dress to keep it a little bit rougher and looser. And overall I'm pretty happy with how this sequence of drawings have turned out. And it's just 6 little drawings, but let's put it all together now and see how it animates and comes to life. So thank you, Miss Vivien May Royale, for being a wonderful inspiration. Take care, everyone. Spread the love and be good to each other. Thanks for watching.